Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And today I'm sharing with you the new version of an old office that I had created in this room. Some of the things I kept, like the walls. The walls are actually backgrounds from a magazine. And in the center there, I had a set of stairs, and I remember that in one of my videos I said that I would dress up the stairs and improve them, and that set of stairs was this one right here. This was right in the center of this room. So in the process of thinking, what should I do with those stairs, I said to myself, what if I don't put them back and replace them with these steps? How would it look? So I think it would look better because the big set of stairs wouldn't be in the way, covering everything else, and I can still keep a set of steps that leads to the other room. And again, like I said, these are backgrounds from a magazine that I picked out. And if I can make these steps blend in with that floor there, it'll really look like you're coming down from the same area. So I think I might do that. I might keep these steps instead of putting back the set of stairs in the way in the middle. So I think that's what I'll do because the room does look spacious like this and everything is seen. So why don't we go around? I'll give you a little tour of what I have here. So I have this new table with the chess game right on top. It's magnetic and I got it as a gift recently. I didn't have the appropriate chairs for it, so I just picked out some chairs that I had in another dollhouse. They're a little bit lengthy, but I have to get a little brush and brush that off. But they are beautiful chairs and they are for the height of that chair, of that table. So all this is a 1.12 scale. Then right next to it, we have a smaller chair and a smaller desk. Now on the side of the chair, not sure if you can see, it has two drawers and they actually do open. Then there's the little telephone. Now this mat here, that's like silver, that's actually a strip of staples from a copy machine. That's all it is. And then there's a lamp here. The lampshade is actually a shot glass and the base is a chess piece. As well as what you see here, I have another lamp from chess pieces and the little horse from the chess piece. Then back there I have two globes. One is oversized and one is perfect, but the oversized seems to work. Then I have this little sofa that I got at a flea market. I believe it was like last year, and it blends in because it's blue. There's a lot of blue around here, including the floor. This floor is just a decorative paper from those pads that I get at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Beautiful floor. And then the background here, this here that you see, oak wood, that's a picture frame, a double picture frame. So I just placed it there just to see how it would look. Doesn't mean it's the permanent look. And then I incorporated one of my grandfather clocks in that corner. And then there is another little clock here and just some pieces of wood that I dressed up. I took some little pieces of paper from a magazine that looked like drawers and just stuck them to the Jenga blocks and made some pieces there, some furniture pieces. And then I have a clock here that I hadn't used before in any of my creations. And it has a little bit of blue in there. And like I said, there's a lot of blue around here. I replaced the batteries in this light, so there's more light now. I think when I made a video recently of dismantling this office, there wasn't much light. So I replaced the batteries. And as you can see, there's a little passport there. And the water bottle. I made that water cooler. This is actually a little perfume bottle upside down, and the box is just from candy. I just made it look like a water cooler by wrapping it up with duct tape and a piece of metal. That's all that is. So I think that I went over everything. I have one more globe there, also blue, so it blends in. And that's it. So in a way, this is a review of this office, but it's also about removing those stairs and replacing it with those steps. So I hope that you have all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.